In this video, we're going to show you how to use Crop and Lock feature on Windows. Let's dive in. With PowerToys Crop and Lock, you can crop an application window of your choice. Let's see how to get it and use the feature. Firstly, go ahead and open Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. Now on the search bar, type PowerToys and press Enter. Download and install the app. Once done, open the app. After it opens, navigate to the Crop and Lock feature. Ensure the Crop and Lock toggle is enabled. Now you can edit the shortcuts with which the Crop and Lock feature is activated. Press the Windows, Control, Shift, and T keyboard shortcut to activate the Crop and Lock feature. Select an area of an application window that you would like to crop and use in a smaller window. You can track a download while you're browsing the web. See? Simple and effective. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.